Well, hello there and welcome back to Painting with Martin. I'm sorry I haven't been there for you for a while. I've had a little bit of problem with my voice, and as you can hear, my voice is not entirely 100%. Now, here I'm back showing you a very easy how to do video of how to apply washes. And wash can be described as magic. Well, not really, but this is a figure from Karak, the board game, the expansion set. And it is I think it's called Citadel, and a wash can be described as something that gives you a guide for what to do. So for the metal part, we're going to apply Nuln Oil, which is always really good. For all the brown parts, we're going to apply Agrax Earthshade from Citadel. All the washes are from Citadel today. And then finally, for the skin, we're going to apply something called Reikland Fleshshade. And this is going to give you a nice idea of what a wash will do. So first thing first is we're going to apply the Nuln Oil, and with all washes, we give it a good shake. And then we apply it neat. And we apply it liberally over the entire metal area to make sure that it soaks in the recesses but doesn't pool in the surface as such. And this little painting handle here is from Red Grass. There's a video for that as well. And then it's really good and really handy. If you see it's pooling too much, take a damp brush, soak it up to make sure it doesn't come on any of the other surfaces. It happens with the wash because it's very fluid. So soak it up for you before it flows too much. As such. And then you can actually repair your mistakes as such. Make sure that it really pools, not on the surfaces, but in the recesses, all these nooks and crannies. And for all the smaller details, I switch to a smaller brush. Let's see if this one can stay open. All these metal areas like this. And if you apply it on a metal area like this, it dulls the effect of the metal, and then you can apply it straight on. I'm going to use this one, a little bit of paper towel to soak it up further, making sure that it doesn't obstruct the other part we're going to wash. So now when we're done with the metal areas, we're washing our brush, and we're going to apply the next stage, which is Agrax Earthshade for all the leathery parts. And this is the Agrax Earthshade, giving it a good shake. And then applying it with a clean brush. You can only use a fairly large brush for this one, or you can, for more precision, you can go for a smaller one depending on what you feel like. All the brown areas are going to cover with this one. And Karak, the board game published by Albi games, is a really good dungeon crawler for all the whole family. A really nice beginner friendly dungeon crawler because it gives you straight into the game, and with these figures it really adds something to the table as well. Don't forget the top hat here as well. And there we go, all done. Now leaving this one here, and now applying the final wash, which is going to be some Reikland Fleshshade from Citadel as well for all the skin details, which is a really good wash. I really recommend it. It's really nice. And I applied some Cadian flesh tone for the skin, and here you can see it really brings out all the muscles. And you apply liberally across all the skin details, giving you a guide of where to apply your highlight later on. And that's the whole point of the wash, simply to give you that guide and that kind of like step-by-step way to do so. And don't forget the face. When painting the face, it can be nice not to apply so much wash to make sure that it doesn't obstruct anything. And there you go. It's a nice and easy way to apply a wash. Now you know how to apply a wash for a highlight stage, which is the next stage. Check out my video for the highlight stage. It's in one of my videos. I will also link to it in the video as well. So there you go. I'm going to turn it around for you. When it's dried, you can easily see where to apply the next stage and where to place the focus of your highlights. If you like these kind of videos, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel as well, if you haven't done so already. And thank you all of you that have subscribed to my channel so far. Thank you so much. It really helps me grow. Until next time, have a great day and go and paint something.